the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Welcome back to another video right here on Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire. We give you fun, inspiration, we're real, and we're educational. So welcome back to the channel. To all our new subscribers, welcome, welcome. Happy to have you. All our tenants in the building, all our permanent residents, cufflinks in the building. I know I can't do it like Brian, but yeah, you know yourselves. Welcome, welcome, welcome back to another video. So a while ago you saw that I got my hair done, and of course Bella wants to be a part of the video. I got my hair done at Waves Hair in Mandeville, and I literally just discovered that place. And so big ups to the folks over there at Waves Marine and the entire staff, the hospitality, the atmosphere, everything just top notch. So today I'm going to be giving you a quick story time, and it just so happens that I'm doing this story time after I did my hair, because let me tell you, a few years ago I had a little incident, and I haven't had it since because I have taken the necessary precautionary measures. Yeah, so several years ago, probably like 3-4 years ago, my family and I went on vacation in Ochi. Now, while we were in Ochi, somebody introduced me to this new oil for your scalp, this new hair oil. And I'm like, all right, it's nice to try something new, so let me give it a shot. It was a new fragrance and a new, it's not flavor, what do you call it? I don't know what you call it, but it was a new type of oil that the place was introducing. So they introduced me to it and say, give it a try. Let me know how your scalp feels, etc. I'm not going to tell you the name of the oil because it might give it away, and I'm not bashing anybody, yeah? So I'm not going to tell you the name of the oil, but it was an oil that I've never seen that kind of oil before. And I was very excited because it smelled really good and the ingredients looked really good. So I said, all right, let me try it. So I used it and came back to Mandeville, used it in Ochi, came back to Mandeville, and went to sleep the night. Ladies and gentlemen, the next morning, I was sleeping and I thought I was dreaming. Honestly, I thought I was dreaming. So I'm there, and Bria wasn't in the bed with me. She was in her crib and I was in the bed. And I was laying there and I could feel myself doing this. But I thought I was dreaming about something. So I said, all right, I'm there sleeping still. And I kind of felt something on my face. So I did something like this. And then now I said, all right, I'm still sleeping. Because I'm not expecting anything like what I woke up to. Fine. Laying there, and I started feeling it more and more in my face and in my scalp. And so I got up and did this. I got up and did this. And when I opened my eyes, I felt like something was crawling on my face. So I'm like this and, kind of trying to brush off my face. I still wasn't sure what it was. Opened my eyes, looked on my pillow. When I looked on my pillow, I saw a pool of ants. And I'm not talking just some regular ants. I'm talking red biting ants, like sugar ants. I cannot explain to you how I felt when I looked down and saw the pool of ants that my head was laying in on the pillow. When I got up and I did this and I started trying to brush out my hair. Oh, I'm pulling out my hairstyle. And I started brushing out my hair and I started getting frantic and I started brushing off the pillow. Ran into the bathroom, looked in the mirror at my hair. My head was filled with sugar ants. Went back in the room to grab something. When I looked, there was a trail of ants from the floor, from wherever it was coming from. From outside to the floor, all the way up on the bed foot, all the way up to my pillow, all the way into my hair. Then I was beautifully sleeping, and I was beautifully sleeping there, having a nice nap, having a nice night's sleep. When I woke up in a pool of ants. Ran into the bathroom, turned on the shower on the hottest that I could bear it, and just went under the shower so that it could kill the ants in my head and wash out my hair. I could not believe what happened. I could not believe that had happened, and that's what I woke up to. Thankfully, they didn't bite me. Thankfully, I woke up when I did. I don't know if they were going to bite me. But let me tell you something. You see, ever since then, I have made a vow not to be adventurous where my hair is concerned. I called the person who referred me to the oil, who gave me the oil, and I said to her, you won't believe what happened. And I relayed the info to her. She said, oh my goodness. Guys, you see, from that, I stick to beeswax, Blue Magic, the good old Blue Magic that we grew up on here in Jamaica, African Pride. I stick to those brands that I know, that I'm very familiar with, because I can't tell you how much this experience has scarred me from trying new things in my hair. Up to this day, it's almost still unbelievable that happened, because I never thought that, a product made for hair would attract ants. And how I knew it was the product, that was the only foreign thing that I had used and then come home and sleep. So, yeah, for me, I choose not to be adventurous anymore where that is concerned. And I'm just thankful that the amount of ants that I got up and I saw, they never bite me up in my face or, bite me up on my scalp. I am grateful for that. So in all things, I still give God thanks. But I'm not about that life, about being adventurous anymore. I stick to what I know. Yeah, as we say here in Jamaica, stick to the evil that you know. Yes, I'm sticking to what I know. But I remember this story a few days ago, and I said, I'm going to share it with our cufflings because that was something that kind of just threw me over. I have never experienced that before. For all the other times that I was adventurous with stuff, I had never experienced that before. So, yeah, that's my story time on how ants took me up in my sleep after using an exotic oil on my hair scalp. Never again. Never again. Guys, have you ever had any experience like this? For those of you who, try new things with your hair and stuff, have you ever had any experience like this? Let me know in the comments below, all right? Thank you guys so very much for watching another video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go if you're new. We're always happy, always so happy to welcome you to the Cufflinks family. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. We love you. And of course, Brian will be back in the next video. Love ya.
Bye, guys. Hi.
Say hi, guys.